During this year, the Inspector General Hardeep Singh informed that their prime duty is to control crime rate in the border. He also informed that they are doing their best to apprehend the criminals in the border and provide a secure environment in the border. Apart from this, they are also disputing the Jawans to assist in civil administration by providing Jawans for the law and order duty.
The border population, the civil population in their day-to-day activities, also giving them the secure environment. At the same time, we are apprehending the smugglers, the criminals who are active in the border areas, so that border crimes are controlled. And this will continue during this year also. Apart from controlling the border crimes, we are also helping the civil administration by providing our troops to maintain law and order duties and any other duties which our troops are required. We will continue to have good relations with the counterpart, that is the BGB. We have periodical meetings with them and we will continue to have meetings with them so that the borders are peaceful. The peaceful borders are very important for the development of the country, and our agenda is that we keep the borders peaceful and crime-free.